love garlic and ginger. I pretty much add them to everything I cook. You name it, stews, curry, soup, pasta, basically anything with a sauce or even without a sauce, I'm dumping them in. They take an average meal and make it great, and take a great meal and make it amazing. If you want to add flavor to your cooking with a big health bonus, look no further than the 2 G's. My mom, who has taught me everything I know about cooking, makes a wonderful chicken soup, and her secret is ginger. Loads of it, finely chopped pieces that give the soup a slight spicy edge, and which are a flavor bomb when you crunch down on them. Delicious, and I am sure good for your soul. As I mentioned, garlic and ginger are great for your health. Would I ever talk about something that wasn't? They have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, and are a great source of antioxidants. They aid with digestion, and are good for the heart and circulatory system. My great-grandmother used to eat raw garlic for her blood pressure. Not recommended for you singles out there. As I mentioned in another video, you should be drinking green tea. Garlic and ginger can also improve brain function. Both are also known for their natural antibacterial properties. And as my mom's chicken soup proves, they relieve symptoms of the cold and flu. Ginger is also helpful in treating nausea, morning, motion, and seasickness. And it may also reduce muscle pain. Fantastic! So, there are lots of great reasons to add garlic and ginger to your saucepan. Now, let's look quickly at storage. Unpeeled ginger will keep for about 4 to 6 weeks in a refrigerator when stored in a sealable plastic bag. It will keep about 1 week at room temperature. Garlic should be kept in a cool, dark, and dry spot with good air circulation. A whole bulb will last for 2 to 3 months. Once you break the bulb, you want to use it in about 2 weeks. It's best not to store garlic in a fridge, as the moisture can accelerate the spoiling. Freshly minced or chopped garlic needs to be sealed tightly and refrigerated. It will only last a few days. If you see little green sprouts, the garlic will start to get bitter, so best to eat before that happens. Peeling and cutting garlic and ginger on demand can be an inconvenience. It might add a couple minutes to your cooking, and who has much time for that? I get around this by blending a batch of each with apple cider vinegar. Then put the mixture in a jar in the fridge. This will keep your garlic or ginger fresh for up to 4 months, and you just have to add a spoonful or 2 to your cooking. The other approach to reduce prep time is to use powdered garlic or ginger. The general consensus is to use fresh when possible, but powdered has many of the same health benefits, and is a good choice. And finally, ginger tea. Ginger tea is great and has all the health benefits of ginger. I tend to take it when I have a cold or feel under the weather, but it is great anytime. To prepare it, peel the ginger root and grate or slice into thin slices, approximately 1 tablespoon per cup. Bring water to boil in a saucepan and add the ginger. Cover the saucepan, turn the heat to low, and allow to gently boil for at least 10 minutes. Strain the ginger and pour into your favorite mug. Add honey or lemon to taste. Delicious. Then throw the leftover ginger into whatever you're cooking. So, that's it for ginger and garlic. Use them every chance you get. Remember, this video is not intended as medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making any dietary changes. See all the links to articles, podcasts, and other sources below. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified when we post new content. Until next time, enjoy garlic and ginger and improve your odds.